Hi everyone, welcome to Tolex Africa online tutorial. This is our foundation class and we'll be starting with tape measurement. Enjoy. Tape measurement is highly important in tailoring because if your measurements are wrong, then the whole process is wrong. So this is what your tape will look like, and it is in inches, and also at the back of it you have centimeters. So for an inch, this is an inch, 1 inch, 2 inch, like that. So I illustrated it here. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to whatever it is on your tape rule. They varies anyway. So what I did right now is that I transferred an inch right here to this. This is an inch, so that you understand very well. So an inch is a division of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you understand. So you can compare with your tape rule as well. An inch is a division of 8. So that means 1 inch for each stroke is 1/8 per division. That means the first one is automatically 1/8. Now to get the second one, which is a longer stroke, what you do is that 1/8 times 2. You know, in mathematics, when you're multiplying, what you do is that you make this a fraction as well, so it's automatically 2/1. So 1/8 times 2, which is equals to 2/8. You divide it by 2. I'm taking you back to mathematics though. So this 1, 2 here, 4, which is 1/4. This is quarter of an inch. The same thing applies to the next stroke. 1/8. Remember, each division is 1/8. So 1/8 times 1, 2, 3. This is the third one. So times 3. Make it a fraction as well. 3/1. So you have 3/8. And here it is. For the next one, one division is 1/8. So now 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4/1 gives you 1 times 4 is 4, 8 times 1 is 8. They have 4 in common, so you divide both the numerator and denominator by 4. 4 here 1 and 4 here is 2. So you have half. This is half of an inch. Just the way the longest stroke in between an inch is half. So we go to the next one. 1/8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one. 5/1, which is 5/8. You can't divide this any longer, so it's 5/8. You go to the next one as well. You can see it's getting more interesting. It's a very simple thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You go to the sixth one, times 6/1. That gives you 1 times 6, 6/8. Now they have 2 in common. 2 in 6 is 3. 2 in 8 is 4. That's 3/4 of an inch. So when you hear 3/4 of an inch, this is what they mean. So we go to the next one, which is 1/8, and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 7/1. 7 times 1 is 7 all over 8, and you have 7/8. You will agree with me that this is very, very simple. Now you understand what it means when they say 1 inch, half inch, quarter of an inch, 1/8, 3/8, like that. So anytime you want to make a mark, or you want to cut or do anything, and it's on quarter, don't approximate it to 3/8. If it is on 3/8, you don't approximate to half. Every approximation increases the size of the dress. You can see that tape measurement is highly important, especially if you're into pattern drafting. You realize that every 0.1 matters in pattern, and we don't just approximate. Even if it is as low as 0.025, you find a way of measuring it. And at the end of it, there is something called error calculation in pattern drafting as well. So tape measurement is important, either it's freehand or it is pattern drafting. So I believe you must have learned, practice this, go through it, and let it be effective in your measurement. Either you have been measuring or you are a beginner. This is highly important. This is fashion school standard. Thank you.